and welcome to Maths Made Clear with me, Miss Snowden.
And me, Mr. Burrows. Now, this video is actually slightly different to some of the other ones that you may have seen from us.
Today, we will be thinking about how we can use the world around us to discuss maths with our children at home.
Absolutely, and to do that, we're going to meet Claudia.
Welcome to my house. I've never noticed all these shapes on my door before. I wonder if I can find some different ones in the kitchen. How many corners do they have?
As well as discussing the names and properties of different shapes, you could ask questions about angles. Are they acute or obtuse, or right angles? Or even discuss the length of round shapes, called perimeter, or for a circle, the circumference.
Ooh, it looks like Mum's baking a cake. I love baking. We'd better check the recipe to make sure we have all the ingredients.
Cooking from a recipe together is great for discussing different types of measurements like grams and kilograms. You could also ask questions about changing the recipe. What if Claudia needed to make a bigger cake? How would she change the quantities? Or what if she wanted to make the cake half the size? Now we're talking about fractions.
I'm going outside to see what Dad's up to. Looks like he's marking some wood using a tape measure. I want to help.
Scales on a tape measure are basically really long number lines, so you can discuss this with your child. You can also talk about length measurements and even think about equivalent lengths. If I want to cut a piece that is 1.5 meters, for example, how many centimeters is that? How many millimeters?
Phew, I think I've earned a treat. Off to the shop. There's so many things I want, but can I afford them with my pocket money?
Discussing with your child the value of money can help with addition and subtraction skills. Claudia has £5. If she spends £2 and 1 pence, how much change will she have? Could she afford to buy something else?
Right, I've chosen what I want. Now it's time to go pay.
Money is also a great way to talk about decimals. £1.59, for example, can be seen as 1 whole, 5 tenths, and 9 hundredths.
I'm off back home with my treats and a well-earned rest. Thanks for visiting. Bye!
We hope you enjoyed meeting Claudia and understanding some of the ways you can support your children with maths at home.
But if you do have any questions about that, then please do come and find your class teacher. We'll be more than happy to help. And if you're interested in these videos and want to find out more, go and have a look for some more of them. Bye-bye.
Bye.